Hey Adam, I bet you're wondering, why are you wearing a mask when you're inside the safety of your own cave? And well, if you've been following Tested since the beginning of the lockdown, you'll know that we went immediately to a remote work company. And thus I've produced all of the videos during the lockdown here in the cave. I've filmed them on my phone and I send the footage to Joey and Gunther and Norm, and they've been cutting the videos, over 75 at this point. But today is a momentous occasion because it's the first time since March that I have gotten to see my friend, colleague, producer, and cameraman Joey Fameli, because he is operating the camera today. Hello. Why today of all days have we decided to get back together in the cave? Well, one reason is that we wanted to take some baby steps to get back to actually having a camera producer operator talent relationship. And we're taking baby steps to do that. Everybody's wearing masks. Everybody. It's Joey and Norm. But the other reason is because this box contains the perfect show and tell for what today is, which is the first time we're filming together. It is a Ryan Nagata creation, which I got last week and have not yet opened. Just think about how hard that is for someone like me not to open a Ryan Nagata creation. What's in here is one of the hazmat suits from the movie Outbreak, and I'm gonna put it together and put it on. What could be a better show and tell for the COVID lockdown than a hazmat suit that I think actually works? Ryan told me to have a 12-volt battery prepped and ready to go. Oh. Now, Ryan obtained many of the parts of this from Global Effects, the guys who made the original suits. He had to do a bunch of finishing work on them, but this is effectively exactly what Dustin Hoffman and the rest of the cast of Outbreak wore in the film. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, dude. Okay, wait a second. We've got a name tag. We've got gloves. Oh, this is freaking fantastic. We've got booties. Okay. And then this is, right, he told me he was doing this. Okay, so this is an actual fan unit. Oh, look at this detail. Nagata Corp. So this is actually a fan that feeds air into the helmet and creates a positive pressure. So this is actually a totally COVID-safe costume. Like, I could wear this anywhere. And then in here are the coveralls, which I'll wager Ryan built from scratch. Oh my God, look at these. Oh, that is lovely. Shall we put it on? Yeah, let's put it on. All right. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, so I'm being overly ambitious by trying to shove my sneakers through these legs. That was a non-starter. I didn't want to get this too dirty, so I'm going to take my shoes off. Go. This is a fairly easy costume to put on. All right. Mike's okay, Joey? Yep. Okay, cool. All right, now. This is why we can't have nice things. All right, so right, that's just a little pressure fit over there. So this sits on my belt. It feels like such a luxury to have someone else holding the camera. Okay, so let's see if this actually functions. Yep. Oh, nice. Okay, let me just see here. I don't want to overly tax this. Okay, I see. Just sits there like that. That sits there like that. Okay. Yep, that's functioning. Okay. I'm going to plug it into the helmet. Okay, helmet is on. Here we go. Okay, I gotta get this adjusted to my head. Oh, oh, oh. Dude. All right. How's the microphone? It's all right? That is fantastic. Hold on, I got to get some adjustment going on. There we go. Now I can make it sit far from my face and it doesn't fog up as fast. Oh, okay, let me get that tightened one more down. This is such an awesome replica to have, especially now. Oh, okay. Right? This is the ultimate cosplay for the lockdown. I don't think I have to yell in here. I think you can hear me just fine. This is fantastic. I feel kind of invincible. Like I kind of almost want to have a dinner party wearing these. This is great. The fan doesn't make a huge amount of noise. It's hard to scratch my nose, but hell's bells, Margaret. I could go to the deli in this thing. Dude, okay. I'm putting on my shoes. Where's my stool? Here we go. I'm not putting the gloves on. That's going to make me just way too freaking hot. It's already like 85 degrees in here and the fan isn't doing enough to cool me down, but it's certainly keeping this from getting fogged up. Dude, this is amazing. Ryan, your work as always is remarkable. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to step out into the world and walk around in this. Here goes nothing. Thank you so much for watching that entire video. Your viewing helps us keep the lights on. Well, it's one of the ways. One of the other ways is through selling our merch. And you guys have been so fabulous about suggesting great merch ideas when I say something strange or funny, and you suggest in the comments that we put it on a sticker or we put it on a t-shirt. Well, we are following your advice. And if you follow the links below, you can buy some of our merch so that we can make some more videos. Thank you guys for watching.